Hey guys, check this out. If you got an F-150 with these turn signals here, with this old style LEDs here, and you want to upgrade it to something a little more awesome, like a sequential turn signal, stay with me in this video. I'll show you how to do it. Takes you 5 minutes and it's an awesome upgrade. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you're a long-time subscriber, welcome back. Now listen, if you got an F-150 like me, this is a 2015 to 2020 model, and you have these type of turn signals here and you want to upgrade them. I got a sequential turn signal from Axial, a company called Axial, and this is going to be an awesome upgrade that's going to change the look of your turn signal. It's going to be an awesome upgrade. It's cheap and it's going to make your mirrors look awesome and stand out from the rest. Stay with me, I'll show you how to do it. As usual, I'll leave timestamps, leave links in the description where you can get all these products, but this is a quick DIY. It'll take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops, and you don't need much tools, just a screwdriver. That's it. All right, let's jump into it. Let me show you exactly what you need to do and how you're gonna get it done. All right, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna get up to your mirror and you wanna pinch in the corner here, like that, till your mirror sticks out at the end. The next thing you wanna do is you wanna grab your mirror, and I know this seems like it's gonna break your mirror, but what you wanna do is you wanna pull up and out at the same time. Just like that. Now, I know you think that it sounds like it's going to be broken, but trust me, it's not. So the next thing you want to do now is just set your mirror down and look. If you have some connectors on the back side of your mirror, here and here, you want to disconnect them and set them to the side. In some cases, these connectors are hard to get to, and if they are, you can just leave your mirror hanging like this for a little while because it's not going to hurt anything. But if you can, disconnect these wires. And what you're going to be looking for next are 4 T15 screws here, 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 and here, and that's what we're going to be disconnecting next. Like that, and I can set my mirror aside. Now that you have your mirror disconnected, you can go ahead and remove these screws. Again, you're just using a T15 screwdriver. Once you remove your screws, you can just set them aside. And now the back of your mirror, you'll see it here, should be able to be separated from the front of your mirror here. There you go. And it should just separate. Once you have the back separated from the front, you can go ahead and tilt it down. And if you notice in here, you're going to have your old LED turn signal here, and you're going to have a connector here as well. You can go ahead, disconnect this connector. This is for the lights if you have one. And what you want to do next is disconnect the power from your old LED turn signal. All you need to do is press down on this little tab here, and it should pull right out. Now you have this, you can set it aside and bring in your new one. Just a quick note for you guys. If you want to replace your side view mirror cap, now is a good time to do it. They're held in by these 4 little clips. If you can see in here, they're held in with these clips in here, and it's a pain to take it out if you're just trying to remove it without unscrewing it. It can be done, but now if you have them off and you've ever wanted to upgrade your covers, now is an excellent time to do it. If you want to see how to do it, check out my other video. I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. But for this video, we're just going to focus on the turn signal. All right, now let's go ahead and grab our new turn signal. All right, now that you have your new LED turn signal, all you got to do is connect the power, get your mirror, make sure you get the right turn signal. You don't want to mix this up, but it should be pretty obvious because the holes will line up perfectly. You'll see there's a hole here and it slides in there. So all you need to do next is slide your mirror cover over. Make sure that all your wires are tucked in so nothing is getting pinched. This might take a little bit of maneuvering, but the tabs should all line up nice and easy and your mirror should clip right in. Once it's clipped in, we're just going to go ahead and put our 4 screws back in. I like to start with this one here since it's closest to the light, just so that it holds the light in place. Get it nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it. Then I'll go ahead and put the one in the opposite corner. And that's it. You don't want to over tighten your screws, just get them hand tight so they're nice and snug. And Once you're done with that, we can go ahead and put our mirror back on. Just remember to reconnect the connectors that you disconnected earlier. They only fit in one direction, so just make sure you line them up properly. And that should be it. Once you have your mirror lined up, the next thing you want to do is you just want to go ahead and connect it. Now, this thing goes in pretty easy. All you need to do is line it up so that it sits flat, and you're going to give it a firm push till it snaps in. And then you just want to test it to make sure that it's all connected and it's tight. And that's it. You're done. Let's take a look at our mirror now. And you can see our new sequential turn signal. Once you're done with the installation of your sequential turn signal, we're just going to jump in the truck, test it out, and see how it works. All right, there you have it. Turn signal works, awesome. Again, this is an awesome upgrade, and it's a simple upgrade. You can do it yourself. It's going to take you 10 minutes each side. Repeat the step on the other side, and you'll be done upgrading your mirrors. If you guys want to do an upgrade like this, go for it. It's pretty easy. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more DIY content. If you like this mod, there are a bunch of other ones that I've done to my F-150. Go ahead and check them out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.